So we got a pretty cool adventure plan for you guys today. We're going out to the Matanuska Glacier. It is north of Anchorage, about 2 hours, and we're going to be going out with a tour company. So we're not going to really have as much talking out on the glacier, but we're going to have some really cool videos for you guys. Can't wait to share. So the Matanuska Glacier is about 27 miles long, 4 miles wide at some of the places that you can reach. The valley that you actually take up here is where the glacier originally was. It went all the way down to Anchorage at one point, talking 10, 20,000 years ago. Every year though, about 10 feet is taken off of the glacier between the summer heat, and it actually moves forward too, but it doesn't move forward enough that it makes up for what it's losing during the summer. So right now we're actually walking through the middle of two glaciers, and this is pretty wild right now. We got one here, one here. When they push together, they actually will go up, kind of like the size, the tectonic plates that you have. And they're pushing up right now, and that's actually what we're going through. In some of the videos that you're gonna see, you can actually see where the glaciers move in and the ice that's out already past the glacier is basically saying, I don't want to go anywhere. And so as they meet, you actually will see that effect where they're merging together. So we're on our way back to Anchorage now. I would normally be filming this in the car. It's warmer today, but it's still cold. They're currently passed out asleep. So we're gonna show you guys something real quick. Anytime we ever go on a trip, this is always what happens. Passed out cold. We got up at 5 this morning for this trip, and so I'm gonna let them sleep. We're gonna get back, but you guys, we really do appreciate you guys coming along. This week's video was a little bit different. We are sorry about that, but it was because it was more of a tour setting. We didn't really want to ruin it for everybody else talking the whole time. But as usual, like, subscribe, go follow, leave us a comment. Which glacier did you guys like more? Portage or Matanuska?